Amidst nature's embrace, a new journey begins. In the heart of the mountains, August Villas awaits. Find your inner peace in nature's land. Every meal, a feast for the senses. Where each day is a chapter of togetherness. Where laughter echoes in every splash. In every moment, cherished memories are created. Where every night unfolds a tale of togetherness. This is the August Villas. Choose from our exquisite 2, 3 and 4 BHK villas with private lawns and pools. Your dream home in the mountains awaits.